It's Miss Hake for your mind's on. Time to activate our brains. So, names. We're all about names. In your name folder, you should still have your beautiful names all in little tiny pieces from our scrambled up name game. Today, I fell out. Today, we are going to count how many letters are in our name. So, I have my name tag just in case I forget how to print my name. I'm not going to use the Miss, I'm just going to use the Hake. So I'm going to actually make my name out of red today. So you can choose how you want to print your name, or maybe you want to trace it, or maybe you want to use your name tag for this. Boom. H-A-I-C-K. And me and my name have been getting pretty close this week, and I've been noticing all the lines and the curves and the lines and the curves and the lines. Oh my goodness, it's like a pattern. The lines and the curves and the lines and the curves and the lines. I'm getting to kind of know my name really well, and I'm starting to realize how to make all of the shapes in my letters in my name. So today I'm going to count how many letters are in my name, and I'm going to use my crayons, and if you have different counters, that's awesome. So I'm going to start by putting one counter on the H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 letters in Hake. H-A-I-C-K. That's 5. I can show 5 on one hand. Boom, watch. Boom, watch. Boom, watch. Boom, 5. Okay, so your mind's on today is to count the letters in your name with counters, and underneath your beautiful name that you may have printed yourself or traced or highlighted or whatever it is that you did, you're going to write how many letters in your name. So I'm going to take my marker. I have, I'm going to use pink. 5. Okay, 5. 5 letters in my name. Ooh, where did my, oh, there it is. I found it. Letters. All right, so I have 5 letters. Beautiful. You're going to create your name and fill in the sentence. How many numbers of letters are in your name? And then I wonder, who has the longest name? Who has the shortest name? We'll find out. Go and do your minds on, and then I know that you'll meet soon. Enjoy!